Okay, I'm going to do a video here, brand new 21 Street Glide. Problem is the sound. The sound is just, there's not a lot of sound here. So my thinking was throw some slip-ons on and see what happens. Got a nice package today. So what we're doing is we're going to put on some Thunderheader slip-ons. So I'm going to do a before and after sound. So I'm going to start this thing up. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out the slip-ons and then do another test sound. Thank you. Okay, now we're here at part 2. The Thunderheaders are installed. So I'm going to do the same thing, sound test, and see see if there's a difference here. So we'll see. Okay, definitely a sound difference, a lot deeper. Actually sounds pretty good for very inexpensive. Yeah, so I'm happy with the sound. Hopefully this video helps out somebody else looking for new sound, something quick with slip-ons. Have a great day.